Guys, girls, welcome back to another video of Robo CNC. I don't know if you guys still know me, but I'm Marcel and I'm sorry for letting you alone for this long. We've been doing the CNC build and you've been following along, so thanks for that. And now when it was done, you have not seen anything about me anymore. Well, there's a lot been going on in my life. I've quit a day job, been a Navy veteran for 20 years, so I've been sailing about 8 months while you were watching other videos. So I've been out of the country for quite a while, and I quit that job, started a new job, which was a lot of learning. And the machine has been running ever since. So you see, I'm still on the MDF spoil board. I didn't even have the time to finish it. So that's why you've not seen me lately on YouTube. Well, but I get a lot of questions. Well, I get questions every single day. And I'm really sorry, but I can and will not do individual CNC build help. I can just not keep up with my own CNC build, so I'm definitely not up to helping you guys. The videos are free, the plans, the drawings, everything can be found if you listen to the videos and you read what's in the description box. So please guys, follow that and stick together. I'm not able to help. Questions about this machine. How's it been holding up? Well, it has been holding up quite nice. The cables that I used for the stepper motors are shitty. So they are still in the list. I'm not gonna update it, but they are not meant to have a tight bend radius inside the channel, so they get all sorts of problems. So I've been changing them, and you see, maybe you see all around here the gray cables, they're all hanging loose. Still need to do that and channel them again. So we'll be doing that. We'll be taking the bed off. And questions about the rack pinion system, how do I like it? Well, it has been giving me some problems. I have been tensioning the belt, I think in a year now, about 4 or 5 times that I had to tension the belt due to backlash, and I have broken one belt. So, well, it's up to you to decide what's the best solution. I think in general it works fine. It has made a lot of hours CNC machining, and it is making me money. So I mean, it's a machine, you have to do maintenance. Well, would I do anything different with the experience I've been having lately on this machine? Yes, I would, and I am even going to change that. And it's where my legs are now. I think the solution with the gantry here, the side rails going up slightly to keep the gantry low, that's a really good decision. Although my bed clearance it's not enough. And especially when I'm going to use the aluminum bed that's still laying around here somewhere in the shop. So I will take this item profile, this one, and I'm going to order a second set. So I'm gonna up it for it. I think it's 80/80, so it's 80 millimeters. So I will get 80 millimeters more Z clearance. Yeah, the Z plate is easy to lower and raise. I can lower and raise the motor on it, so that's fine, working fine. Electric fan, get a lot of questions, still holding up on almost daily basis, so it's working really fine. Anything else I would do different? I don't think so. Only the Z height is something that bothers me. and the fact I have no space in my shop. So that's another thing I've been doing. I've been looking around for new shop space, and I'm happy to tell you that the next video will take a lot of time again. And why am I happy about it? Because I'm moving to a new shop. I'm moving to a new home too, but I'm moving to a new home with a new shop. So that will be much bigger, and I will probably not be able to find the finance to fill it all up. But well, I will have a lot of space, and that will make my jobs much easier. And I'm pretty sure that I will be doing much more videos over there, because well, this tightness here it's not really working for me. So I'm taking videos of projects. It's a lot of work, and it's not easy if you have the limited space. So anyway, we'll be showing the new shop probably in a new video, in the next video. So thank you guys for supporting me, and while we're up to supporting, this is what we were this is what we were up to. Thank you very much for subscribing to RoboCNC. We have surpassed 10,000 subscribers. So more than 10,000 people are subscribed to RoboCNC, and that's you. So thank you very much for letting me pass this goal. And although YouTube will only start congratulating at 100k, we made our own play button. So in this video, a small tiny bit of the play button, at least you see the machine running again after this long. So thank you all for supporting me. I hope you stick along. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and help us to the 100k. And don't forget to click the bell to get notified when there's a new video coming, because the new video will be in the new shop. Thanks guys and girls for your support over these times, and I will be showing the machine running quite soon.